AirPods Pro 3, released in September 2024, sometimes have issues with their active noise cancellation. This bug causes inconsistent or ineffective noise cancellation, especially in noisy places or if the earbuds don't fit well. While Apple has released updates to improve calibration and reduce lag, some users still experience problems. It stems from misalignment between the earbuds and the user's ear canal, leading to poor sealing and ineffective sound wave cancellation. ANC calibrates during initial setup by playing test tones and adjusting based on microphone feedback. Bugs occur if this calibration is disrupted by factors like earwax, firmware glitches, or improper fit. If your ANC isn't working correctly, don't worry. A recalibration or reset can often fix it. Begin with resetting your AirPods Pro 3 to address the noise cancellation bug. After forgetting the device, place your AirPods back in their case, close the lid, wait 15 seconds, and then repair them with your iPhone. To recalibrate, ensure the earbuds fit snugly. Then go to the accessibility menu in Settings and run the calibration test in a quiet room. You can also access hidden menus in the iOS app for force recalibration. Playing white noise during this process can help improve the calibration. If the noise cancellation issue persists after these steps, contact Apple support, as some units may require replacement under warranty. To avoid this issue in the future, clean the ear tips regularly and always ensure a proper fit for your AirPods.